Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss most important models in determinants. See, here in this problem, D is equals to det of A minus B minus C, 2A, 2A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Then we have to find D power 1 by 3. All these model problems will do by using that consider that ABC numericals. So here I am taking that put A is equals to 0, put A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1 and C is equals to 2. If I will substitute all these values, how much I will get that D value? Therefore, D is equals to det of A minus B minus C. So that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, that is the minus 3. And 2A is equals to 0. And next one is that 2A is also 0. And 2B is equals to 2. And B minus C minus A value minus 1. And 2B value is 2. Right? Next third row, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So 2C is nothing but 4. So third row elements will be 4 and 4. C minus A minus B value, that will be equals to 1. So this is the value of this one. Now you expand this value, you will be get that minus 3 into. Now how to expand the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix? Here you eliminate that minus 3 into, you remove that first row and first column. Now you get that determinant of the submatrix 2 by 2 order submatrix. That value will be equals to minus 1. That value is that minus 1 into 1. So minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1 into 1. That value will be equals to minus 1 and minus 8. And remaining values minus 0 into something is 0, plus 0 into something will be 0. So finally your result will be minus 3 into minus 9. Okay, so this value will be equals to 27. So 27 you can write that 3 to the power of 3. So D is equals to 3 to the power of 3 means, now you can write that D power 1 by 3. D power 1 by 3 is equals to, this value is that 3. So by substitute that values in this given determinant, you got it that D to the power of 1 by 3 is equals to 3. Now the same values substitute in the given options. First option A plus B minus C, that value will be equals to 0 plus 1 minus 2, that is the minus 1. So first option is not the correct answer. A into B into C, 0 into something is 0. A plus B plus C value is that 3. And the fourth option D is that minus of A plus B plus C, that is that minus 3. So your right answer is that what? By verifying you get that correct answer will be C is the correct answer. I hope that everybody are very clear this problem. Now in the same model, see one more question. This is one of the different model in objective point of view. This is the one of the different model in objective point of view. See here, what is that given expression? Given expression is that A not equals to P and B not equals to Q, C not equals to R, and det of first row elements P, B, C, second row elements are A, Q, C, third row elements are A, B, R is equals to 0. Then we have to find that P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C. What is the value of this one? Everyone please recall that determinant properties. Any row or any column have all the elements are the zeros, the det value will be equals to 0. That's why, so here you consider that all the first row elements are the zeros. All the first row elements are the zeros. Okay, all the first row elements are zeros means now put p is equals to, put p is equals to 0, p is equals to 0, and b is equals to 0, and c is equals to 0. C is equals to 0. Substitute all the values in the given expression. Therefore, this one will be P by P minus A, P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B, Q minus B plus R by R minus C, R by R minus C. Substitute all these values in the given expression. P by P minus A, 0 by something will be 0, plus Q by Q minus B. That value will be equals to Q by Q minus 0, plus R by R minus C. That means R by R minus 0. So this value will be equals to, that is equals to 0 plus Q by Q, that is equals to Q by Q plus R by R. So what is this value? That is equals to 0 plus 1 plus 1. So your answer will be equals to 2 is the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer. I hope this problem is very clear to all of you. And next, this is that most important model and previous year question in various sentence exams. And in the same model, one more question is there. See here, if det of first row elements are p, q minus y, r minus z, second row elements are p minus z, q, r minus z, third row elements are p minus z, q minus y, r is equals to 0, then what is the value of p by z plus q by y plus r by z? Same concept you apply here is that, suppose if we consider that all the first row elements are equals to, all the first row elements are equals to, these values will be the 0. Obviously the det value will be equals to 0. So now you take that, now p is equals to 0, now p is equals to 0 and q minus y, q minus y is equals to 0 and r minus z is equals to 0. If you take all these values are 0, that implies p is equals to 0, comma, q is equals to y and r is equals to z. R is equals to z. Substitute all the values in the given expression. Therefore, p by z, therefore p by z plus q by y, q by y plus r by z. What is the value of this one? P by z, p value is that a 0, 0 by something will be equals to 0, plus q value is that a y, so y by y plus r value is the z, z by z. So now this value will become that 0 plus 1 plus 1. So your right answer will be equals to 2 is the final answer. So option C is the correct answer. I hope that everyone is clear this one also. Now you see one more question in this way. Here the determinant of first row elements are that x into p plus y, yx and y. Second row elements are that y into p plus z, y and z. Third row elements are 0, x into p plus y, x into p plus z. By consider here, according to determinant properties, as in that previous questions, now here also you take that the first row elements are all that zeros. The first row elements are all the zeros. See, first row elements are all the zeros, then there is no use of according to that given options. Now it's better you take that first column. Here you take that first column elements are all the zeros. So because of for our convenient according to the given options, you have to be select that any row or any column, all the elements should be equal to 0. So now here I will take that first column elements all should be, I will be equal to the 0. So here this one will be x into p, x into p plus y is equals to 0, is equals to 0, and next one will be y into p plus z is equals to 0. Okay, already the third element is that 0 in the first column, right? So from this one you can write that p is equals to minus y by x, p is equals to minus y by x. Here in the second one p is equals to minus z by y, right? Here both are that p values, therefore you can write that minus y by x is equals to minus y by x is equals to minus z by y. Here minus and minus will be cancelled, here minus and minus will be cancelled. So what is that remaining value? Y by x is equals to, y by x is equals to, that is the z by y. So now you cross multiply this one, you will be get that y square is equals to, y square is equals to z into x. So y square is equals to z into x means, so you know already the fundamental in sequences and series, therefore the result will be x comma y comma z, therefore x comma y comma z or in gp, or in gp. So your answer will be x comma y comma z or in gp. So what is the right option? Option b is the correct answer. So I hope that everyone are clear all these models. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.